In this problem, we're going to look at two boxes that are in contact on a horizontal table. So we have a larger block and a smaller block, and they're in contact on a horizontal frictionless table. There's an external force applied to them, which we're going to call F sub A, where the A stands for applied. So let's assign some values to these things. Let's call the larger block M1, where M1 is going to be equal to 5 kilograms. We'll call the smaller block M2, and we'll say that M2 is equal to 2.5 kilograms. And then the value for the external force, the applied force, F sub A, is going to be equal to 3 newtons. So the end goal of this problem is that we want to find the magnitude of the contact forces acting between the two blocks. That is, we want to find the magnitude of the force that M1 exerts on M2 and the magnitude of the force that M2 exerts on M1. So I'm going to write this by saying we're going to find the magnitude of the force that M1 exerts on M2 and the magnitude of the force that M2 exerts on M1.